Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can increase download speed in Ubisoft Connect. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply navigate through your task manager, and from here you want to make sure that there is no other network applications that are taking up your network bandwidth. Now basically, if we go ahead and open up Steam right here, you want to make sure that there are no application downloading or updating on other applications like Steam right here, to make sure that only Ubisoft Connect can go ahead and take the bandwidth. Now from there, we then want to navigate through the Ubisoft Connect application, and simply inside you then want to click on the download manager button right here. Inside the download manager, click on settings, and from here you then want to make sure that the limit bandwidth setting is disabled. It's going to be this specific button right here. Now when it is set into something like 200 megabytes per second, it means that it will try to limit the bandwidth on that specific setting or slider. And so just make sure to disable this setting, and from there the download speed will increase on the Ubisoft Connect. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guides for Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.